This $1.7 million Mercedes reverse Restomod shimmers with real diamond dust. Carlex has added almost 2.2 pounds of diamond dust to the special paint scheme of its latest creation. Carlex is making similar upgrades to a Bentley Bentayga and a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Complementing the unique paint scheme of the Merc is an aggressive widebody kit. Found through the cabin is Himalaya crocodile leather finished in white and brown. There are more tuners offering packages to upgrade the looks of the Mercedes-Benz G-Class than we care to count. Some of them are subtle, while others are downright dreadful. This particular G63, reimagined by Carlex Design, stands apart as one of the most distinctive interpretations yet. It's part of the company's limited Himalaya series, and it follows what you might call a reverse Restomod, turning back the styling clock on an otherwise modern vehicle. Previewed in early 2024, Carlex is building a single, special example of 7 high-end SUVs, all following a similar design theme. They include a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, a Lamborghini Urus, an Aston Martin DBX, a Range Rover Vogue, a Ferrari Purosangue, a Bentley Bentayga, and the Mercedes-AMG G63 you see here. As a one-off creation, clearly built at considerable cost, this G-Class might be the finest of the lot. The paint is the first thing that makes this G special. The tuner says almost 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram, of diamond powder has been infused into the white paint, providing it with a unique glistening effect. Painting a car normally is challenging enough, so we can't imagine the pressure the painter was feeling when spraying this Benz. Beyond the paintwork, the G-Class Himalaya features a custom widebody kit with flared arches, a set of retro-inspired alloy wheels fitted with classic white wall tires, period-style badges, a redesigned grille, and chrome-plated bumper trims that collectively bring the entire look together. Then there's the cabin, where Carlex has poured most of its attention. The seats are upholstered in exclusive Himalaya leather, sourced from crocodiles and made famous by the Hermes Birkin. This high-end, ultra-expensive leather adorns the front seats and the center rear seat, providing this G with a very unique ambience. Other elements of the cabin are finished in more traditional white and brown leather. There's also plenty of soft-touch Alcantara, including on the headliner. As you could have probably guessed, Carlex's latest Mercedes G-Class isn't cheap. In fact, the company says its value nears an extraordinary €1.5 million, $1.7 million, no doubt in large part due to the diamond dust incorporated into the paint.